Hello and welcome to my channel Get Knowledge with Deepika. So today I am going to discuss with you a very small story or very small and interesting poem, The Fly. Okay, about a fly. So before going to start the poem, I want to say something is that please like, share, subscribe, comment and press the bell icon to get new updates of my channel. So let's start. The fly. How large unto the teeny fly must little things appear? A rosebud like a feather bed, its prickle like a spear, a dewdrop like a looking glass, a hair like golden wire, the smallest grain of mustard seed as spice as coals of fire. A loaf of bread, a lofty hill, a wasp, a cruel leopard, and specks of salt as bright to see, a lumpkins to us apart. So here we can see the writer's name is Walter de la Mare. So here are three stanzas given. So I'm going to discuss with you from the beginning of the poem, The Fly. How large unto the teeny fly must little things appear. For us, some things while we are looking, while we are looking something, then we are thinking, oh, that is so small for us. Okay, but for the fly or for the teeniest insects, these things are looking very big for them. Okay, so a rosebud like a feather bed. वो जो रज का बड होता है, रोज का जो पंख होता है, इट्स लुकिंग लाइक फीदर बेड फॉर देम. ओके, फीदर बेड मीन्स पंख का बिस्तर. इट्स प्रिकल लाइक ए स्पीयर. रोज के प्लांट में जो पिकल रहता है, जैसे थ्रोन रहता है, दैट थिंग्स आर लुकिंग वेरी मच big spear for them. Spear means weapon. Okay, a big weapon. It's looking like a big weapon for them. A dewdrop like a looking glass. और छोटा सा जो पानी का बूंद dewdrop होता है, it's looking like very much big looking glass. Looking glass means mirror. Okay, here also you can see a picture. It is given that the small fly is looking its image, reflection of, it's a reflection in the small dewdrop. So okay, then a hair like golden wire, or छोटा सा hair for them is looking like very much big wire. Okay, then the smallest grain of mustard seed. Small grain जो mustard का छोटा सा दाना होता है, for them it's looking like as fast as a coils of fire. Fire means here dangerous or very much frightening. Okay, very much big. आग का गोला होता है, बहुत डरावना भयंकर टाइप का आग का गोला. Then a loaf of bread, a lofty hill. Loaf of means small piece of bread is looking like a lofty hill. बहुत बड़ा, बहुत high and very tall hill जैसे उनको दिखता है. A wasp, a cruel leopard. और wasp जो छोटा सा एक इंसेक्ट होता है, वो उनके लिए cruel leopard जैसे दिखता है, बहुत डरावना टाइप का leopard. And specks of salt as bright to see. Specks means a small piece of salt. उनके लिए बहुत bright piece, जैसे बहुत bright उनको दिखता है. As lumpkins to a shepherd, जैसे shepherd को उनके small lamp दिखते हैं, वैसे ही specks of salt also for them it's looking like very big for them. So the writer's name is Walter de la Mare, and some of the hard words are given in the poem. So I hope you understood very nicely about this poem, The Fly. Thank you so much for being with my channel. Thank you.